DART, India's first research lab on rare diseases, is out to annihilate muscular dystrophy.
A couple talking with a child in the background.
What do you do when your only child, age 7, is diagnosed with a rare degenerative disease like Duchenne muscular dystrophy, DMD, that has no cure?
Images of DART lab.
It led Ravdeep Singh Anand to start India's first research lab in the hopes of finding a cure.
Video of child and mother.
Ravdeep's son Karan was diagnosed fairly early, but the Anands, like many other affected families, wanted more.
Ravdeep Singh Anand, founder of DART, on camera.
We got him diagnosed pretty early when he was only 2.5. From there on, once you know what the problem is, then what? Now that then what question had to be answered. And how much ever we were looking around in India and abroad, we were not finding an answer, we were not finding a solution, we were not finding any path. And that was actually, as the years were going on, that was becoming quite frustrating. And as Karan was growing older, his problems were increasing.
Pictures of doctors with patients.
A neurodegenerative disease, DMD, occurs only in boys. It's a genetic condition where the protein dystrophin needed for muscles to function properly is present at much lower levels than what is needed. As the child grows older, the muscles continue to degenerate. There is no cure. India has over 5 lakh children with DMD, among the highest in the world, but there's no treatment available at an affordable cost.
Images of DART lab.
Ravdeep decided to start India's first research lab, Dystrophy Annihilation Research Trust or DART, to look for a cure. The lab recently had a major breakthrough when it came up with a genetic intervention procedure for people with DMD. That procedure is set for clinical trial.
Dr. Arun Shastri, head of DART lab, speaks to camera.
What we are trying to do is that it's a kind of genetic intervention for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. DMD affects more than 5 lakh children in India, and currently there is no therapy available. And no two patients are same. So for that case, we need to develop a personalized medicine. Now we are standing in the organic chemistry lab of DART, where we have created new molecules which will help the children.
Images inside DART lab.
The treatment DART has developed will be at a fraction of what it costs in the West.
Ravdeep Anand speaks on
What
camera.
we wanted to do was arrest the degeneration. If we can bring a status quo to the boy, the parents and the children can heave a sigh of relief. And that was my main aim. Once we can stop the degeneration from happening, we can say, okay, now let's focus on how to regenerate or repair the damage that's done. It's going to take time. It's taken time even to reach here. But I feel with this whole stuff that we have developed, we have done that. We have achieved our end point. And definitely I feel that now that we've done that, we are much, much closer to our final destination.